In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use rectangles, frames, and lock items on your Miro board. Whether you're new to Miro or looking to refine your skills, this guide will help make your boards more organized and secure. Let's start with drawing rectangles. On your Miro board, you'll find a toolbar on the left side. This is your go-to for all your basic shape needs. First, click on the Shape tool. You'll notice an array of options, but for our purposes today, select the rectangle. If you're a fan of shortcuts and efficiency, you can simply press the R key on your keyboard to access this feature quickly. Once you've selected the rectangle, you can click and drag on the board to draw your shape. Don't worry too much about getting it perfect right off the bat. You can easily resize it by dragging the edges, add text by double-clicking inside, change its color for visual differentiation, and move or align it as necessary using the Context toolbar. Next, let's move on to using frames. Frames in Miro are incredibly useful for organizing content both visually and functionally. You can think of them as slides or bounding boxes that help structure the information on your board. To create a frame, press F or simply click on the Frame tool in the toolbar. Then, click or drag on your board to add a frame. It's that straightforward. But what if you have existing objects that you need to enclose within a frame? No problem. Just select the objects you want to include, open the context menu by clicking the three dots you see, and choose Create Frame. This action will neatly house your objects within a new frame, keeping everything tidy and organized. Finally, we come to locking items, a crucial step to protect elements on your board from accidental edits or movement. We all know how frustrating it can be when a well-placed item gets shifted unintentionally. To prevent this, select the object you want to secure. Once selected, you'll see a lock icon in the context menu. Clicking this icon will lock your object in place. If you're working from a Windows system, you can also use the keyboard shortcut Ctrl plus Shift plus L, or if you're on a Mac, use CMD plus Shift plus L, and there you have it. With these simple yet powerful skills, drawing rectangles, using frames to organize, and locking items to secure, you'll be able to make the most of your Miro board. Experiment with these features and see how they can transform your workflow into something more seamless and efficient. Thank you for watching, and happy Miroing!